In this video, I will show you 3 simple steps to promote affiliate links on medium.com. Hey, my name is Harshil from futurepassiveincome.com. In this channel, I will show you different ways to make money online with affiliate marketing. So if you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribe. And I don't have anything to sell at the end of this video, so don't worry about that. But if you want an instant access of my free affiliate marketing course, then check the link in the description below. So the first step is to pick a product to promote. So there are a lot of different categories of product that you can promote, like physical products, digital products, software products. So if you want to sell physical products, then Amazon.com and ShareSell.com is the best website to promote physical products, because in Amazon you will find any kind of physical products to promote. And if you join Amazon affiliate program, then you can promote all the products on Amazon, and it's free to join. And you can also sell digital products, so it includes online video courses or ebooks or PDF that you can promote. And clickbank.com and commissionjunction.com is a best website to promote digital products. And also in this website you will find all of the category of product that you can promote. And another kind of product is software products. So the main benefit to promote software products is that you will get a recurring commission every single month as soon as the customer that you refer to the company are using the product. And jvisu.com and warriorplus.com is the best website to find software products in all the different categories. But for this video, we will take an example of clickbank.com, and I will show you step by step how you can pick a product to promote on Clickbank and how you can promote it. So first go to clickbank.com, and if you don't have an account, then you can click sign up to create an account. And I already have an account, so I'm going to log into my account. And once you log into your account, so here is the Clickbank dashboard. Here you can see all of your earnings daily. So once you came here, then go to marketplace, and here you can see there is a lot of categories of product that you can promote, like business, cooking, education, or green products, health and fitness. But for this video, we will take an example of health and fitness category. So once you came here, then sort the results by gravity. And here you can see there are a lot of different health and fitness products that you can promote, like BioFit, the smoothie diet, keto diet, or diabetes freedom. See, this product has a 225 gravity. That means 225 individual affiliates are promoting this product at least one time in a week. So it's a very good product to promote. And if you want to check the sales page of the product, then just click here. Here you can see the sales page of the product. Warning: green veggie causing type 2 diabetes in millions. There is a one sales video, and there is a different packages like digital package and physical package. So once someone click here and make a purchase, then you will receive a commission. So if you are finding a product, then I will highly recommend you to watch the entire video on the sales page, because the video shows you everything about the product, that what is this product and how this product will help your customer to solve their specific problems. And here you can see there is an affiliate page. So here you will find a ton of resources that can help you to promote this particular product very easily. So once you click here, you can see there are a ton of resources that will help you. Product Creator give you a lot of resources that you can use to promote this product very easily. Here you can see you will find a lot of email swipes, keywords that you can use, tracking pixels, ad headlines if you want to run ads on the particular product. So first go through the sales page and the affiliate page of the product. So here you can see you can get $48 in average once you refer people to this product. And once you select the product to promote, just click on the promote button, and here you can see there is an account nickname. So just write your nickname and generate hop links. So here is your unique ID. You just need to have targeted traffic to this link, and once someone click on this link and make a purchase, then you will receive a commission. Now the second step is to build a sales funnel, and the main purpose to build a sales funnel is to increase your conversion rate. And if you don't know what sales funnel is, then I will show you step by step. So the first step is to divert traffic. So you can use any of the social media like Facebook, Google Ads, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, anything, to drive targeted traffic to the bridge page. And bridge page is also called the landing page. And the main purpose of the bridge page is to capture the email address of the people who are visiting your page. And once you capture their email address, then they will directly go to the affiliate offer of the page here. And affiliate offer is also called the sales page of the product. If they go there and make a purchase, then you will receive a commission, okay? But what if they will not make a purchase at the first time? Then no worries. You can send them automated email sequence. See here. So you already captured their email address, right? So what you can do, you can set up autoresponder, means automated email sequence, that you can send them daily about the product, and you can refer them back to the affiliate offer. So if they will not purchase at the first time, not purchase at the second time, third time, but in future, if you are continuously approaching them and follow up with them, then they will more likely to purchase the product that you are promoting, because you are giving them a solution for the particular problem that they are already suffering, okay? So they are more likely to purchase a product that you are promoting. But in this video, we will take example of a diabetes product, okay? So that product will help your customer to cure their diabetes. So I made the simple bridge page of the product that we are promoting. Here you can see I made the simple landing page. Free presentation reveals how green veggie causing type 2 diabetes in millions. Enter your best email below for instant access. And I made this title based on the sales page of the product. See here, warning, green veggie causing type 2 diabetes in millions. Once someone enters the name and email address and click here, then they will directly go to the sales page of the product. And once they watch the entire video and they are ready to purchase and they make a purchase, then you will receive a commission, okay? But very few people will purchase a product at the first time. Suppose you have 100 targeted people traffic who are already suffering from a diabetes problem, right? Then only 2 to 3 people will purchase the product at the first time, and 97 people will not purchase a product. But no worries, because we have a solution for that. That's why we made a sales funnel to increase our conversion rate. So here you can see in a sales funnel, you can send them automated emails daily. Now you don't need to write emails by yourself, because the product creator give you the pre-written emails that you can use to promote this product. See, if you go to the sales page of the product, then here you can see the email swipes. And once you click here, then here you can see the product creator gives you a lot of email address that you can use to promote the product. Here you can see there is a 13 emails that you can use. So you just need to copy these emails from here to the autoresponder. And once someone enters their email address into the landing page, then they will receive emails daily from you. By then they will purchase the product. And if you want to know how I made this simple landing page to promote the product, then you can click the link in the description below of the software that I use to build my sales funnel, and you will also get a 30 days free trial of the software. And once you build a sales funnel, then you just need to drive targeted traffic to the landing page of the product. Now in the third step, I will show you how you can generate a targeted traffic to your affiliate links using medium.com. Here you can see the total monthly visits on Medium is 161 million. So you will get a ton of targeted traffic if you use Medium the right way. And 26% of traffic came from US. So you will get a ton of high quality traffic using Medium. And the 61% of traffic came from search engine like Google search or Bing search. So if you can able to rank your Medium story on Google search, then you will receive a ton of targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. And search engine will more likely to rank Medium stories on their platform, because Medium is an authority website. And if you write a good story on Medium, then there is a high chance that you can also rank your Medium stories on Google search. In that way, you will get a ton of targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Now I will show you how you can promote your affiliate links using Medium. So here is a medium.com. If you don't have an account, then just create an account. It's free to join. Once you create an account, just click here and click on stories. And here you can see you can write your own story on Medium, or you can import a story from any other website to Medium. You just need to copy that article URL and come on Medium and just paste your URL. Then Medium will import the entire article from the different website to Medium. Now I will show you one website where you can use that website article without any copyright issue. So for that, first go to superarticles.com. Here you can see this is a website. It's a free website where you can use this article on that website to promote on Medium. See, here you can find the topics like careers, finance, health and fitness, home and family, everything. But the product that we are promoting is related to diabetes. So in a search bar, I will write diabetes and click on search. And here you can see there are a ton of articles that are free to use related to diabetes. So I can use any of the article. Suppose I click on this article, and this article is about type 1 diabetes cure, treatment for type 1 diabetes. There is a very good article that I can use into my Medium stories. So once you select the article, then just click on the URL, copy that URL, go to Medium, click on import a story, and you just need to paste the URL here and click on import. Now Medium will import the entire article from this website. See here, type 1 diabetes cure, treatment for type 1 diabetes. You just need to click on see your story. See, here is the entire article that Medium import from the website. Okay, now you just need to reformat this article, and I will recommend you to add more images because it looks good. So you just need to reformat this article in a way that our audience will easily go through the article. And I will show you where you can put your affiliate link, because don't put your affiliate link in the entire article because it's a spam and no one will click on your link and make a purchase. Now I will quickly reformat this article and then I will show you how to do that. Now here you can see I quickly reformat this article. I put one image here, and here you can see now the article looks good. Now I will show you how you can put your landing page link into this article. And please don't directly put your affiliate link. You first need to capture people's email address. You can write something like, watch the free video that reveals how green veggie causing type 2 diabetes in millions. Now what you need to do, you just need to paste the landing page link that you create here, this link. Okay, don't directly put your affiliate link here because first you need to capture people's email address who are visiting your Medium story. So just copy this link, go to Medium and paste your link here and click save, then click on publish, and here you can see there is a preview image that will show that you add into your Medium story. And here you can also add a tag related to the story on Medium. So our story is related to diabetes, so I will write like diabetes, see diabetes solution, diabetes prevention, and after that click on publish. That's all you need to do. Now grab a lot of articles from this website and copy the URL and go to Medium and paste into your stories. That's it. The more article you will write on Medium, then the more views you will get from the search engine. And once someone come into your Medium story, then they will go through the entire story. They see your link, they will click on your link, they enter their email address, and they will directly go to the sales page of the product. And once they purchase a product, then you will receive a commission. So it's a very simple method to promote your affiliate links using Medium.com. Now, if you are serious about learning affiliate marketing, then get instant access of my free affiliate marketing course. You will find the link in the description below. And if you learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in this channel I will show you the different ways to make money online with affiliate marketing. See you in the next video.